Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to find and copy your Solana address on Phantom wallet in a very simple way. First of all, once your Phantom wallet open up, the next step you have to take, you're going to look for Solana, which is at the upper side there at the home page. So in case you didn't see it at the upside, what you have to do, you have to scroll down. You're going to see manage token list. After doing that, you're going to see Solana, and make sure that it's on. You're going to at the right side, make sure that it's on. You have to go back to your home page and you have to tap in Solana. That's how you're going to see receive, swap, buy and more. You're going to press receive, and you're going to see this, which is showing this address can be used to receive compatible token and share address. What you have to do, you're going to see at the right side, you're going to see copy, and you just have to click it. You have to tap it there and you're going to show copy. So this is the end of this video guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.